right, so coming in the door, you can see that the framework is kind of messed up. The door is falling off the hinge here, so making it kind of hard to close it. Got a lot of space. Looks like it's cut all weird. It's lined up weird. This whole frame is messed up. It's letting a lot of cold air in. So it's just starting out. All right. That's a little loose. Then it looks like we need closets, hangers. Let's look around. Got to do some blinds in the windows here. Change these light bulbs out. Okay. Looking around at everything. Another, oh, did I do the closet rod there? I think so. Okay. All right, and here there's going to be a cabinet built. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, that's out of alignment too. No close right. Looks like all the doors are. Okay. Looks like they did some cutting here of some sort. I don't know what's going on there. I don't know if they're going to put a light there or what they were going to do. But looks like new drywall was put here actually. Oh yeah, that is a brand new look. Not even any trim down there yet. So let's see, how's the sink work? Well, it's off. Oh, I see they put new plumbing in here at one point too, huh? They just must have the sink off. Yeah, it looks all good in there. Oh. Let's see. See if that works now. There we go. Okay. Oh, all looks good there. Don't see any leaks or nothing. All right, so that sink's fine. One thing I do notice though is no electrical here. No plugs for anything. One plug there, two there, 3, 4. So you do got some here, but just not by the sink. All right, moving along. What's this? It's like a gas line for something. Maybe a stove for there. I'm not sure. Possibly. Okay, coming into the bathroom. Let's see how we're looking here. Okay, that's loose. That's okay. Check out that. Oh, I guess it doesn't. Oh, you gotta tilt it to get the hot water. Try that for a minute. Alright, so yeah, hot water works. Well, that ain't on there very good, is it? Like you need a handle there. Check out the diverter. Alright. Looks like this is all rushing out. We might want to change that out. Okay. Brush is okay, I guess. Here we need another rod, closet rod. We're gonna be moving this over to here, putting a light in, or taking that out, maybe putting another light. This bathroom door's all messed up. Looks like we got a hinge problem, and the door's broken, numerous places cracked here. It's all out of alignment. Looks like you got some bad tile here. Let's see, what else? Looks like when they installed this, they didn't caulk it, did they? Or is that a lot of gaps there? Interesting. Okay, and then moving along. Okay, so here, we need a light here. It looks like the wood's come down a little bit, so that might have to be pushed, nailed back up properly. Looks like they started to do some gap filler right there. Okay. I don't know what's going on with that. That outlet looks a little rough. So does that one. Gotta do some outlets. What's up with this one here? Well, it's just kind of just sitting there, huh? Not a very good install job. How's these other outlets looking here? I don't know, those aren't lighting up. I'm not sure if they're faulty or just don't light anymore. Carbon monoxide alarm. Probably need to get some of those in here. New ones. Smoke alarm, carbon dioxide alarm. That's weird.